From every nation, tribe, and town, we rise as one. We are your young, called to serve, called to shine, living out your grand design.
Hands together, hearts on fire, lifting Jesus higher and higher. Faith that moves, love that stays, walking boldly in your ways.
Community action, faith alive, serving the world, Christ is the guide. We won't be silent, we testify, hands to serve and hearts to fire, for Jesus alone design. Feed the hungry,